So hello people, I'm Moscarblog and let's now take the BMW i7 60 out for a night drive. Let's go. So people, you are now joining me inside of the i7 for a night drive. Just look at this beautiful ambient lighting we have here. And I will now start this video off with a launch control of the BMW i7. Let's put it into the sport mode here. And let's now do a launch control. Whoa, this is so fast. So people, let's put it into the theater mode. And now everything darkens up. Just listen and look to this. Let's now put it into the digital art mode. Just look at this. This is an absolute spaceship of a car. It's so good. It drives so good as well. It drives so lovely. I really just love how this car drives. It's so fast, so comfortable, so perfect, so luxurious. It's definitely worth the money. I'm honest now. It's really expensive, but it's worth the money. So now enjoy this night drive with me. Sounds so cool. You can also turn on the light here. So now you see it like this. Let's now drive in the sport mode. Everything is red in here, red and blue. And let's floor it. It's so fast in the sport mode because it uses all the power. Let's put it even in the boost. Oh, this car is so fast. Oh, ladies and gentlemen, this is absolutely crazy. And this isn't a luxury car. This isn't a sports car. You see what I mean? Like, this isn't supposed to be fast, but it's so fast and abnormal, honestly. It's way cooler than a normal electric car. Way cooler. And let's now put relax. Relax is no sound at all. Look. Oh no, at night it has a sound. Oh, was the relax? Wait. No, the efficient doesn't have a sound. The relax has a sound. Listen to this. It sounds so interesting. This sounds so holy, like the expressive sound. It's so unique and so cool. And let's now put it back into the expressive, my absolute favorite. So people, I hope you enjoy the i7 as much as I do. Just look at this beautiful interior. For this video, I will end it now. I hope you enjoyed the videos of the i7. If you haven't seen the review, make sure to check it out. And I hope I'll see you in the next one. Goodbye.